Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a delivery address on your Kohl's account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kohls.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kohl's website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now, if you haven't added a delivery or a shipment address onto your account, then click on your user ID at the top right corner. This will then take you into your profile page, from which click on account settings at the top left and now click on the address option. You will now see the add address option. Go ahead and click on this button and now you will simply need to enter your name as well as your address. Type in your first and your last name, followed by your address, the city, as well as the state, and your zip code. Finally, enter your phone number and choose whether this is your default billing address as well as your shipping address. Finally, click on the Save button after entering all this information, and now your shipping address will be added onto your Kohl's account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a shipping address onto your Kohl's account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.